Pointed, it's a big game. Where do you think you went wrong?
Yeah, it was a big game. I think I'm really proud of the way we bowled actually in the first innings, and I think we were found short of options in the middle overs against their spin. I think that's where we lost the game.
And the fact you won the toss, you decided to field, you would have anticipated some dew. With dew not coming, it does make a difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, it kind of, sir. I think it's very hard to guess actually when we are expecting some dew or when we are not actually. So the wicket started behaving differently in the second innings. Ball started turning a bit. I think they used the advantage really well. They bowled their spin in the middle overs against our right-handed batsman. I think that's where I think they were one up against us. Yeah.
Sanju, I'm glad you confirmed what I was thinking, that you were excellent in the field, but it seemed like you just lacked a little bit of intent with the bat.
Yeah, that's what I said. I think against a left-arm spin and our right-handers just coming, like all 3 to 4 right-handers in the middle, and when the ball was stopping, I think we could have tried a bit more reverse sweep or maybe use of the crease a bit more. I think they also bowled really well actually. That's what I felt from looking from outside.
You mentioned about, if you look back at the season now that you know you're not playing the final, a lot of positives to have come out. How do you see yourself this season going?
Yeah, to be very honest, I think we have had some brilliant games from not only this season but from last 3 years. I think it has been a great project for our franchise. I think we have found some really great talent for the country. I think looking forward the season, I think Riyan Parra coming out of it, Dhruv Jorel and many lot for. I think a lot of them are looking really like exciting. I think not only for RR but definitely for Indian cricket team actually. So in that phase, I think we have had some great season from last 3 years actually.
Sandeep Sharma has had an extraordinary effort as well this season.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I'm very happy for him. I think by not being picked from the auctions and coming back as our replacement, I think the way he bowled, I think he has definitely delivered. I think if you look at the numbers, Sandeep Sharma had bowled from last 2 years. I think he will be the next guy after Bumrah actually. If you look at the numbers, I think in the 4 overs, the economy he bowls in. I think very happy for him personally. Yeah, he has done a great job.
And Sanju, before I let you go and before wish you well for the World Cup, your take on this final coming up in 2 days' time. You played against both these teams.
Yeah.
It's going to be a tight match, won't it?
Yes, absolutely, sir. I think this condition actually definitely suits both of them. So let's see how they come back again in the power play. I think SRH batsmen are very interesting. They can definitely take the game away. I think KKR is also, I think the confidence level, the way they have played in the season, they are also looks very exciting. So it will be a great game actually, great game of final. I think that's what IPL has been giving to us from last 16, 17 years. I think very happy looking at the final from back home. Yeah.
Well, Sanju, well done, I would have to say, for a team reaching the playoffs and the kind of cricket you played personally as well as a team. Good luck for the World Cup.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.